In the world of smart home appliances, robotic vacuums have become a game changer, offering convenience, efficiency, and a touch of futuristic technology to everyday cleaning. Among the latest advancements in this category, a new device stands out as a powerhouse of functionality, combining cutting-edge features with user-friendly design. This innovative robot vacuum offers a seamless cleaning experience that goes beyond traditional vacuuming, integrating advanced mopping capabilities and self-emptying technology. One of the most impressive features of this vacuum is its powerful suction capability. With a 4,000 PA suction force, it effortlessly picks up dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. This level of power ensures that even the smallest particles are captured, leaving floors impeccably clean. Unlike many other robotic vacuums that struggle with thicker carpets or stubborn dirt, this one is equipped to handle all types of surfaces with ease, making it a versatile choice for any home. However, its cleaning prowess doesn't stop at vacuuming. This device is also equipped with a mopping function, allowing it to sweep and mop in one go. The combination of vacuuming and mopping means that floors are not only free of dust and debris, but also wiped clean of stains and spills. This dual functionality is particularly useful in homes with a mix of flooring types, as it can seamlessly transition from vacuuming carpets to mopping tile or hardwood without any manual intervention. The mopping system is designed to leave floors spotless, using just the right amount of water to clean effectively without causing damage to sensitive surfaces. One of the standout features of this robotic vacuum is its self-emptying capability. The device comes with a self-emptying base that automatically empties the dustbin after each cleaning session. This feature is a game changer for busy households, as it eliminates the need to manually empty the vacuum after each use. The dustbin in the base is large enough to hold several weeks' worth of debris, depending on usage, which means less frequent maintenance and more time for you to enjoy a clean home. This self-emptying function not only adds convenience, but also helps maintain the vacuum's performance by ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning cycle. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are other areas where this vacuum excels. Equipped with advanced sensors and mapping technology, it can create an accurate map of your home, enabling it to clean in a systematic, efficient pattern. The device intelligently navigates around furniture, avoids obstacles, and adjusts its cleaning path to cover every corner of your home. This smart navigation system ensures that no area is missed, and the vacuum can even recognize when it's cleaning a high-traffic area that needs extra attention. The ability to map multiple floors also makes it an ideal choice for multi-story homes, as it can easily transition between different levels without losing its bearings. The vacuum is also highly customizable, allowing users to set specific cleaning schedules, define no-go zones, and select cleaning modes that suit their needs. Whether you prefer a deep clean while you're out of the house or a quick touch-up before guests arrive, the device can be programmed to follow your preferences. You can start or stop a cleaning session, check the status of the vacuum, or even see a real-time map of where it has been cleaned, all from your smartphone.